Students, let's start with chapter number 8, charts in Kelsey. With the advancement of the technology and increase the need of the technical analysis, the use of chart has increased. Utility of chart is one of the factors that make the spreadsheet package widely popular. Chart are illustration of business situation with ability to display the significant amount of information in the attractive way. So, a chart is also considered as the graphical representation of numerical data. Now, students, there are types of chart. According to the nature of the application and requirements, a chart type should be selected. Charts are used for the various purposes such as telling history, evaluate alternatives, presenting trends, or find out the exceptional cases. That means an incorrect choice of chart can lead the poor representation of the concept and generate misunderstanding. On the other hand, correct chart choice of the chart can be lead to right and faster decision. Popular reason why should we use or go to chart that is mentioned below. The first one is for comparison purpose. Second one is for demonstration of distribution. Third one is for understanding of situation. Fourth one is for analysis of trend over the time. Fifth one is for investigating deviation, and the last one is for identifying and understanding the relationship between entities. Follow the steps given B to prepare in chart in any situation. Make it clear what you want to say. Then collect data and arrange data. Remove invalid data. Then determine the best chart type and check the data you have collected for that chart are sufficient or not. Prepare the chart, and last one is the format the chart. Now students, let's make a chart for a table. See, in this table the students quiz marks and test marks for the month January, February, March, April. So to make a bar graph of this table, first of all insert the data in this way in the sheet. After inserting the data, select your table. Go to insert chart. To insert chart in this way in Kelsey, go to insert and select the chart option. See, you will see this type of dialog box on the screen. And student, the second way is select the table and see on the format bar on the standard toolbar, see the chart option. Clear? Means you can insert the chart in this way also. Now go to insert chart. See, you can see the chart wizard dialog box. There are number of options in the chart. First one is column, second one is bar, third one is pie, fourth one is area, line, XY scatter, bubble, net, stock, column and line. Today we have to select the column chart. You can also choose the bar chart, but in this case, first of all select the first chart, that is column chart. Here there are three subtypes. If you want to look this chart in 3D look, select the 3D look. Then the two options are there, simple and realistic. We have to select realistic. Then click on next. Then we have to select the table, that is the range of the data that we already select this table. Then click on next. Data series, that is quiz marks and test marks. Then click on next. Give the title, that is I over here given the mark sheet. Then here you can also type the subtitle. Over here I am giving the VBV. On x-axis, this horizontal line, that is known as x-axis. On the x-axis of the chart, January, February, March, April. So over here we type month. Then on y-axis there is the marks, that is quiz marks or test marks. So on the y-axis give the title, marks, then display. This is the legend. Legend means the question, quiz marks and test marks is known as legend. You can select the left, that is on the left side of the chart, right, that is the right side of the chart, top of the chart, and bottom, that is the bottom of the chart. We have to select bottom, then click on finish. See, this is the chart of the table, and in this way you can make column chart. Then if you want to change the background of this chart, first of all select it. See, the blue border is around the chart. Then double click on the chart. Then you can see here, see the border, area and transparency. If you want to change the border of the chart, select any, for example fine dash, select any one. Suppose I select orange one. And if you want to change the width over here, for example 0.20. Then area, to fill the color in the chart, we have to select this, for example select pink, then click on OK. So this is the chart along with border. In this way we can make the column chart in Kelsey for this table. Now student, the next one is the 7th page, elements of chart. First one, A, that is chart area. The chart area is the rectangular area in which the chart is embedded. Then y-axis with values. The y-axis with value are taken automatically according to the data that we have to provided. Then data area axis. The data area axis is the axis within the data area. By choosing this option, you may see the vertical or horizontal grid lines on the background of the chart. Over here I am not taking any grid line. Then title and subtitle. The title of the chart is the name given to the whole chart. See, I am giving over here mark sheet. And along with the title may also give the subtitle. The subtitle is useful for or the purpose for indicating the additional information or for purpose to use this chart. I am over here given the VBV. Data area. The data area is within the chart or actually holds the chart. It is also known as chart. Then next one is legend. The chart is a kind of drawing. It may have some text to indicate about the data and graphics. The chart shown in this figure, see, over here the legend is quiz marks and test marks. The blue line indicate the quiz marks and orange line indicate the test mark. This is the legend. Now the data series. Chart may contain more than one data series. For every data series, a color chosen and chart is built. For example, in our column chart, for each data series, color is picked up. Many columns of that color are developed representing the various values in different period or time stage. Here, the marks of quiz as data series, and blue color is chosen as automatically. Kelsey prepares many columns of blue colors, each representing a mark in a month. Now the next one is chart floor. The chart floor is the horizontal plane which provide the base and the chart element. For the particular type of chart such as bar and column chart, it is quite useful. You can see with this color. Then chart wall. The chart wall is vertically plane which provide the base of the y-axis of the chart as shown in figure. See, y-axis. In our here we can take the 3D chart. Then next one is J, legend on x-axis. A simple chart is given to you. The x-axis on the chart has only values on it, that is in figure, and we have to use month name on x-axis such as January, February, and so on. Now this is the column chart of this table. Now student, the next chart is pie chart. For pie chart, we have to make a table, that is for preparing a pie chart for the movie type and value of percentage that the person or public see. For example, movie type action value is in 30%, comedy 35%, for movie type drama value of percentage in 20, and science fiction that is 15. To make a chart of this table with the pie chart, first of all select the table. See, in our book they give here in this way. Now to inserting chart, go to insert chart option, then select pie. Select 3D look. Over here we can see the 3D look of this chart. Now click on next. We have already select the table, that is data range will be selected. Click on next. See the values in percentage. Then click on next. Give the title. Over here I am giving the title as a pie chart. Then for the subtitle I am taking VBV. Then this is the legend. I am over again taken here legend in bottom. Clear? Then click on finish. See, we can make a pie chart with the help of Kelsey. Now to change the background color, same way double click. Click on border, select any border according to your interest, select the color. Then to change the background area of the chart, I am taking purple, click on OK. See, the blue is for action, orange is for comedy, yellow is for drama, and the last color that is for science fiction. In this way we can prepare pie chart. Clear? In this way we can end this chapter number 8. Now student, if you want to delete this chart, so for that, for deleting chart, just select the chart in this way. You can see this green dot and press delete key. Automatically chart will be deleted. Clear? And here chapter number 8 be completed. Thank you.